My name is Wesley Bryant. I am from Fayetteville, Tennessee, and I'm a senior public relations major. So I started writing my latest novel when I was a sophomore here, and it came out in paperback this summer, and now I'm classified as a #1 mystery writer online. I've been writing since I was in the 2nd grade. I was really shy growing up. I didn't really have any friends, and I just wrote for fun. So this is my 3rd book that is coming out, and it went way beyond what I was expecting. 141,000 reads last time I checked online. Went to #1, it continues to grow. Writing a book and publishing a book is not just writing. You have to do absolutely everything. I think PR is a perfect major for someone who wants to write and to get further in the industry because it goes hand in hand. You're gonna hit this wall of self-doubt and you're gonna be scared to put your name on something, but you have to keep going. My advice would be never ever give up and continue.